All right, guys. Facebook, it's down 4.5%. What's going on here? So is it still a good spot to pick it up? Let's have a look. So they reported earnings yesterday. Numbers were just fine. They said they're going to buy back 50 billion worth of shares. Stock was up after market close. And then today, pretty much by the market open, it gave back all of those gains. And then more, even, and then some, basically below yesterday's lows. And what to watch from here. So, and also, Facebook, unfortunately, is not in a $1 trillion market cap, pretty much $1 trillion club, as some people say. So Tesla got in there. Now Facebook is around 884 billion at the moment at this price. So this is the chart of Facebook. And if we can see it here on a daily chart, we are still in a downtrend. And definition of a downtrend is stock keeps making lower lows, lower highs. And right here, right now, for the past 2 months or so, this is a fresh low. All right. But where's the support from here now? For me personally, the solid support would be somewhere here at $300 level. I'm not sure if it's gonna hit that. I mean, how soon it's gonna hit that, or whether it will hit there. But a lot of people may argue that RSI is oversold. It should bounce here and all that stuff, but you don't want to fight momentum, right? When stock is going up, you don't want to short it because you think that it has gone up too much, right? And same thing with the stock that is coming down. So, but for me, the one thing I would let me measure this. So for me, the golden spot usually when these kind of blue chip big stocks pull back is 10%, which is a 10 to 20%. Basically, the correction territory is still up to 20%. So anything up to 20% is still a correction. But if it falls below 20, then that's already in a bear market. So let's measure where would this stock be if it drops 20%. So far, it is down 18%. So let's come down a little bit more to find where's that 20 golden, basically 20% drop level. So it looks like if the stock comes back down to these $307 levels, that would be the 20%. So if I don't have a position, by the way, I'm not trading this stock, I don't have options or anything. If I was trying to build a position, I would start small, scaling in at those levels. 307, if it drops a little bit more, I would add a little bit more. And if that, like, keeping in mind that, okay, this 300 is a support. And then if it doesn't even respect that 300 and start slipping, then I would cut maybe a loss and move on. But that's where low 300s, that's where I would build a position. And so far, you don't want to fight this one, especially when this stock is slipping below the support. And the moving averages, let me pull up the moving averages. So when stock is not respecting 200, so look at it. So it was respecting that level for 3 consecutive trading sessions right here. Yesterday bounced off of that level, and today we're slipping below this red line, which is a 200-day simple moving average. So when this level breaches and stock tries to go back up, that level usually acts as a resistance. All right. So if the stock drops maybe through 310 and then tries to bounce and then maybe tries to fake out, or maybe if there are people who are still sellers at these 320 levels, then that's the level resistance. So for people who may be trying to play it to the long side, that's what I would watch to the upside. All right. And then above that, I would watch this 50-day simple moving average as a resistance, which is at the moment downtrending as well. So what about the option activity so far today? It has been maybe 3 hours since market opened, and 473,000 calls were traded, 312,000 puts were traded. So, but let me, before, I think we're not going to look at the specific orders. So there's not like a clear direction, but a little bit more call activity. But let me switch to a different time frames, right? So if you look at the weekly chart here for Facebook, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, it hasn't closed positive yet. Every single week, it has been closing negative. And this is a monthly chart. Look at these candles. And the selling intensifying based on, so October is not over yet. This was a September drop. Look at the volume. Volume is increasing. So yeah, I would give it a time. All right. So for me, that $300 level that we spoke on previous videos as well, which was a resistance here, I'm expecting that level as a support. And that's the update video. So I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and drop a like. Take care. Peace.